In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn on dark mode on your VLC mobile version or mobile app. So it's very much simple and easy. When you launch your mobile app like this, tap on the more here. So on the more, tap on the settings here. So let me tap on that. So I move to my settings and I scroll down here and then I move to my interface. That's where I'm going to find it. Good. So on here, you can see day night mode. So let me tap on that here and you can see I can turn it to a dark mode by tapping on the dark mode here, and it's going to change. It's going to take some time to change. Let me scroll down here again to my interface. Let me tap on that. And now let me bring it back to light mode. So now let me come here and then let me bring it to the light mode. It's going to take some time for it to load and it's here. And also you can make it a day and night mode, which is during the day it's going to be light, during the night it's going to be dark. So that's it on how you can turn on dark mode and light mode on your VLC mobile app. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.